The 2026 Bajaj Qute remains a fascinating outlier in the global automotive landscape, continuing its reign as India's premier quadricycle. While it is often mistakenly associated with a Toyota partnership due to various online rumors and speculative social media content, it remains a purely Bajaj auto product. The vehicle continues to bridge the gap between a three-wheeler and a full-sized car, offering a unique proposition for urban fleet operators and budget-conscious city dwellers who prioritize utility over luxury. From a design perspective, the 2026 model retains its cute and boxy silhouette, characterized by a narrow track and a high roofline that maximizes interior vertical space. The aesthetics are unapologetically functional, featuring hard-wearing plastics and a simple glass area that provides excellent 360-degree visibility. It is a vehicle designed to be thrashed through narrow city alleys and crowded markets where even a small hatchback would feel cumbersome, and in that specific environment, its design is nearly perfect. Under the hood, or rather, tucked away in the rear, is the familiar 216cc single-cylinder engine. For 2026, Bajaj has refined the liquid-cooled, fuel-injected system to meet the latest BS 6-phase 2.0 OBD2 emission standards. Producing around 11 horsepower in its CNG guise, the performance is modest but purposeful. The engine is tuned for low-end torque to handle a full load of 4 passengers, though it is strictly limited to a top speed of 70 km per hour for safety and regulatory compliance. The driving experience is tactile and mechanical, featuring a dashboard-mounted sequential 5-speed manual shifter. There is no power steering, but because the vehicle weighs under 500 kilograms, the steering remains light enough for easy maneuvering. The suspension setup, consisting of independent dampers, does a decent job of soaking up minor road imperfections, but the Qute remains susceptible to body roll if pushed into corners too aggressively due to its high center of gravity. Fuel efficiency remains the Qute's strongest selling point. In its CNG variant, the vehicle can achieve a staggering mileage of up to 43 km per kilogram, making it one of the most cost-effective four-wheelers to operate globally. For commercial drivers transitioning from auto rickshaws, the savings on fuel and the added protection from the elements, like rain and dust, make it a significant upgrade that pays for itself over a short period of time. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Qute is a lesson in minimalism. You won't find soft-touch materials or elaborate infotainment systems here. Instead, you get a simple digital instrument cluster, basic air vents for ventilation, and a 12 volts charging socket. The seats are upright and surprisingly spacious in terms of legroom for 4 adults, though the narrow width means shoulder room is tight. It is a get-in-and-go vehicle that prioritizes durability over comfort. Storage is handled through a small 20-liter trunk under the front hood and additional space behind the rear seats. For those needing to carry more, the 2026 model continues to offer integrated roof rails capable of carrying up to 40 kilograms of luggage. This makes it an ideal choice for last-mile delivery services or as a local taxi for travelers with light bags. The interior floors are flat and easy to clean, highlighting its workhorse nature. On the safety front, the Qute remains a controversial topic. It lacks modern staples like airbags or ABS, though it does feature seatbelts for all passengers and a high-strength monocoque body. It is important to remember that it is classified as a quadricycle, not a car, and its safety standards are measured against the three-wheelers it aims to replace. Within that context, having 4 wheels and a steel roof provides a significant safety advantage over a standard rickshaw. The 2026 lineup has seen a slight expansion in color options, with more vibrant, lifestyle shades aimed at making the vehicle look less like a commercial tool and more like a quirky city commuter. These include updated yellows, reds, and a new metallic blue. Despite these cosmetic tweaks, the core identity remains the same: a rugged, affordable, and incredibly narrow vehicle that can fit into parking spots that others would ignore. Maintenance for the Qute is famously inexpensive. Because it shares several mechanical components with Bajaj's extensive motorcycle and three-wheeler range, spare parts are widely available and very affordable. Most repairs can be handled by local mechanics, ensuring that downtime for commercial operators is kept to an absolute minimum. This reliability has built a loyal following among fleet owners in both Asia and Africa. The market positioning of the Qute in 2026 is clever. It sits in a price bracket where it doesn't quite compete with the cheapest hatchbacks like the Maruti Alto, but it offers a significantly better experience than a three-wheeler. It is the perfect tool for the gig economy, serving delivery partners and ride-sharing apps in hyper-congested urban centers where speed is less important than the ability to squeeze through gaps in traffic. Environmental impact is another area where the Qute shines. Its small engine and lightweight construction result in very low carbon emissions compared to traditional passenger cars. By encouraging the use of CNG and LPG, Bajaj has positioned the Qute as a green transition vehicle for developing markets that are not yet ready for a full-scale move to expensive electric vehicle infrastructure. Rumors of an all-electric Qute have persisted into 2026, and while Bajaj has showcased prototypes, the internal combustion engine remains the backbone of the brand's sales. The simplicity of the CNG system currently offers a better balance of range and cost for the target demographic. However, the 2026 chassis is rumored to be EV-ready, suggesting that a silent, battery-powered version could debut as a mid-year update. In terms of build quality, the 2026 model feels slightly more refined than previous iterations. There is less vibration felt through the floorboards, and the door seals have been improved to keep out more road noise. It still feels like a utilitarian machine, but the rattle and hum characteristic of older models has been dampened, making for a slightly more professional feel when using it for passenger transport. The global reach of the Qute continues to grow, with exports to Latin America and parts of Europe where it is used as a niche, last-mile solution. In Europe, it falls under L7E regulations, making it accessible to younger drivers or those without a full car license in certain jurisdictions. This international presence has forced Bajaj to maintain a higher level of quality control than one might expect for such a low-cost vehicle. Ultimately, the 2026 Bajaj Qute is not a car for everyone, but for its intended purpose, it is an engineering marvel. It provides mobility, shelter, and a livelihood for millions while maintaining a footprint smaller than almost any other four-wheeled vehicle on the road. It isn't a Toyota, and it isn't a luxury cruiser, but it is a masterclass in affordable, functional transportation that remains unmatched in the micro-mobility segment.